The giant electric dinosaurs are loose.
We're up against the fence, like my tongue against the back of my teeth. Keep quiet, sweet pea. No, don't make a peep. And I always liked your mother, though I'm not so sure how she felt about me. And I love how you love her. If only she knew just what you're getting up to. And when it rains, the lake grows from nowhere in the field. And I think of that haunted boy living in his haunted house. You always told me love will meet in the next life, where you'll be a caterpillar, I'll be a crow, and I will bite. Out of spite and out of mind. And I still remember how I kissed your pucker lips. And I still remember how we sold each other's hearts for fish and chips. And sometimes you drive so fast, I know you're scared like birds in the graveyard. The seasons have to change. Darling, I'm so sorry that I couldn't stay.
Alex, say bye. Say bye. You can blow a kiss.